Welcome to Fact Hub channel. Dear friends, today we will discuss a recent development in technology. It is called Chat-GPT. What exactly is it and how will this impact our future? What can we do with it? What is the underlying technology? Will it challenge Google and how can it be used to various aspects of our life? Friends, please watch the entire video to learn more about ChatGPT. However, before we move on, we kindly ask that you subscribe if this is your first time visiting the channel. This will allow you to receive regular updates with more useful videos.
Such technology, which debuted at the start of 2022, immediately caused a stir all across the world. With its assistance, you can obtain a wide range of information. It is a platform that serves as your friend, teacher, doctor, and advisor. You may chat with it because it is a chatbot. You have the ability to write any article. You are free to write whatever script you like. You can obtain the code from any website. You can figure out the formulas here. It can provide answers to challenging questions, be it mathematics, physics, chemistry, or whatever else you wish to learn. Do you require a technical assistance? If you have a YouTube channel, do you have to create descriptions or blog posts? Also, if you want to establish a business, learn how to make money online, or need assistance with a research paper or any programming, coding you may acquire to learn, ChatGPT is the solution to all these inquiries.
The platform is completely free, which is the cool part. To date, there are no fees associated with it. It is not a premium version and there are no advertisement on it. Since its release, GPT has gained popularity whether you use it on a laptop or a phone. It has also challenged Facebook and Google because it competes with Google search. You may notice that the Google return results include several websites and also propose many videos. However, when you give a command or ask something of GPT, it responds to you with a standard response that is concise in order and formatted in a paragraph. ChatGPT searches the entire internet for information and then quickly uses artificial intelligence to translate it into his own words before presenting it to you.
ChatGPT is gaining popularity so quickly that it takes 6 months for Facebook or YouTube to get the same number of users that ChatGPT has in just a few weeks. The best thing about it is that whatever text from it provides you is excellent, special, and not already on the internet. It also has the advantage that you won't experience any language or grammar issues. For example, however, you are free to rephrase your query if you don't understand or find the response challenging. ChatGPT will respond with a new solution. Yes, it has become quite simple, or to put it another way, it has also become challenging for freelancers now because ChatGPT allows everyone to acquire everything they want. But the human factor is still fairly significant. While freelancers can benefit from it, they will rapidly obtain information for using any material on any topic or creating content.
People who desire to make money online also have a great opportunity. For instance, if they have offered any services on Fiverr, they can use information from the ChatGPT and give their client a complete project. Even though I have already given you a lot of information regarding ChatGPT, I still need to explain what it means. Let me explain that ChatGPT stands for Generating Pre-trained Transformer and it was developed by a company named OpenAI. Generative means generative and pre-trained implies that it doesn't require teaching. It already knows a large amount of data and transformer refer to a learning model that adapts to a given text. If we take a quick glance at the history, we can say that the ChatGPT platform is a model based on AI. With just a small hint, it generates a lot of content for you. Google began working on this project from 2007 under the name Google Brain.
When the OpenAI company was established in 2015, it began the transformer development and released ChatGPT. Remember that ChatGPT's T was introduced by Google. Google has its own official version, which is the Lambda 2 technology, which was announced in 2022. But the distinction is that it is utilized for dialogue rather than the text generation. The system will communicate with you in a conversational tone. If you have any questions, Lambda will respond right away. Moreover, if he is unable to respond, Then he will probe you more and will comprehend the query and respond to it once more. The existence of Siri and Google Assistant may have led you to believe that ChatGPT is something you are already familiar with.
So how does it vary from them? The reason ChatGPT is growing in popularity is that it has a very high accuracy rate. Dear friend, accuracy is the key. Following the debut of ChatGPT, a significant shift occurred in the way that data is presented online. ChatGPT gathers and organizes all of the material that has been uploaded online to date and presents it in a way that speaks to your innate human curiosity. Google, Facebook, Wikipedia, and other sites all have their own data, but ChatGPT has access to all of that data collectively. The fact that it is limitless is its best feature. It will respond with any response you require. You can choose any subject or issue you pose and respond by saying, yes, I want an answer of 500 words or 1000 words.
He will therefore respond to you precisely. The coming era is of AI or artificial intelligence, and the role of ChatGPT is critical. Therefore, you must also register for a ChatGPT account in order to use it and explore a new world of artificial intelligence.
Please share and like the video if you find it interesting. We will see you in the next video.
That's it for today. Bye for now.